The earth element. Pebble in the pond. With your feet wide and stable, your knees slightly bent, glide your hands from your center forward and outward, forming a circle. Your upper body can tilt slightly forward as your hands expand. Your body can sink down and up very slightly. Inhale, gathering your palms in. Exhale, expanding them out. Let your breath be smooth and steady and comfortable. Tapping into the earth element, the organs of your spleen and stomach. The earth becomes your body as you eat and absorb the nutrients and sustenance from the earth. Finding a steady rhythm, creating a sense of calm and ease. Soothing any anxieties or worries. The meridians flowing through your lower body, through your knees, ankles, hip joints, grounding you and stabilizing you. Your movements slow and patient as tectonic plates gliding over the earth. Forming a circle with your hands that has no beginning and no end. Embracing all, observing all from the center. Remember that you are made of the earth, by the earth, and from the earth. You are the earth. Now to close the form, bring your feet together and gather your arms in a circle. Inhale as you expand, exhale as you contract. Collect the energy in your core. Take your right hand into a fist. Your left hand covers, symbolizing inner strength and outer kindness. And we'll complete our session by saying Ha Ping to go in peace. Ready? Ha Ping.